In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new project in the ExpertEyes software. Just go and click Project and select New. A new window will pop up and will be asking you for the name and location of the new project. Just enter the name. I'm going to do test project for now, and I'm going to indicate where I want that project to be located. In this case, I'm going to put it in the desktop in this folder called ExpertEyes tutorial videos. If I click create, the software immediately creates the links inside the folder that I selected in order to start collecting the information to work with your eye tracking data. Now I'm going to show you how to import data into the ExpertEyes software. Once you have created a new project, and now that you have collected some eye and some scene data, these movies, I'm going to show you how to convert them into frames so the software can use. So here in the import menu, you will be able to select if you're going to be importing eye or scene data. Let's start with the eye data, and if you click here, a new window will pop up. You can give the source of the movie where your data is, and you have some parameters for conversion. We're going to use this file, which is the eye file, the eye movie. I'm going to click open, and I'm going to select JPEGs. Although you can use TIFFs, TIFFs are going to require more memory since they are larger, but they will imply better quality. It will all depend in the quality of your data. As you can see, our data here is very good for the eye and very good for the scene because we're using an HD tracker. So JPEGs will be fine. I'm going to use all these parameters depending on what kind of data you actually collected. And I can test actually these parameters and see if I'm happy with it. So ExpertEyes will actually do a couple of frames and it will show you the quality of it. So you can see the images are still super big and they are going to be very good quality, although they are JPEGs. So I would say that these images are fine. So I'm going to go back to the project and say that I want to import them all. So as it goes, as you can see here, it will continue doing its work. ExpertEyes can actually do several of these at the same time, so you don't need to wait until the eye frames are done in order to start the scene frames. So you can immediately start the scene frames, and this new window will pop up, and you do the same thing. Select your movie, select the format, and these other parameters for quality. But I'm going to just go ahead and import them. Once you're done importing your eye and scene images, you need to click Load Images for both the eye and the scene. It's going to show you how many frames it's doing and how many frames, how much information is missing, because we don't have any gaze or corner information. That's why it's giving us this warning. Here I'm going to show you how to synchronize your data streams using the ExpertEyes software. Once you have created a new project, imported your eye and your scene data, and load the data into the program, you're going to be able to go and click Synchronize here. This new window will appear, and it's going to allow you to actually browse through the frames and looking for some cue in order to synchronize them. Hopefully both of your movies are going to be starting at the same time. They're going to be synchronized. If they are not, so for example here we used a visual cue, in this case an infrared light, an infrared flash. So as you can see, there is the movie and we have the flash. So this flash occurred at the same frame because our movies are synchronized. But if they were not, you're going to be able to actually select the frames, add them, and select and make the software start to synchronize them from these frames. Once you click finish, now your two movies are going to be synchronized.